We are pleased to show you the 2018 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.